Do you want to learn how to turn on driving mode on Google Maps Mobile for Android? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first, head over to your Google Maps app, and on the top, you're going to find this profile. Inside it, click on Settings. Now, under the settings, we'll go down till you find Navigation Settings. Inside it, click on Google Assistant Settings. Now, in here, we will have Launch Driving Mode. Under it, we will have when navigating in mobile apps, driving mode will launch when you start navigation. It's already checked here. I'm going to uncheck this and check it again and go back. Now we need this blue dot. This is my GPS activated and I have my location set. So in order to do this, swipe down and turn on your location GPS. And now if I try to search somewhere, and enable my directions and start, it will also show us the driving mode on the bottom of the screen. Now if I click on this settings icon, I can see our whole driving mode dashboard, and I can also turn off the driving mode from here. And this is how you can turn on driving mode on Google Maps Mobile for Android. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.